guys. We were flying drones around and bam, big crash. Broke the entire landing pad off of this motor right here. And we also had some blade damage, but we are gonna fix this right here. We're gonna use some JB quick weld. You take your hardener, mix it in a bowl. Wait, what is it? It's called JB quick weld. You got hardener, and then you've got your black solid. You first put your hardener in, and then the black solid, mix it together with a flathead. That's what we're gonna do right now. Oh, that is hard. Maybe I'm gonna have to just rip it open, because, yep, that's the last tube. We're gonna pour it into the hole and seal off the bottom so that it will lock this in place. Woo, spin. We're gonna fill it in completely. It'll make it waterproof from the bottom like it was, and it'll also hold that landing pad in place. You can pretty much do this to any part of your drone that has a crack. If you wanna just make liquid plastic, JB Weld is the best. And it will hold out, I'm pretty sure, for quite some time before you have to replace it for 30 bucks on Amazon. But this is a quick way, $10 fix. And then you just let that dry. Make sure you set it up where the landing pad is straight up and down, and work in the JB quick weld, work it into the hole, and fill it off flush with the top. Maybe just add just a little more, and you should be good. All right, so the consensus is after 3 minutes, the JB quick weld was hardened. My drone was repaired for less than 10 bucks, and right away, in less than 3 minutes, like I said, we can take it back out to fly. I would also recommend putting on the landing feet. These right here, they're an extra stabilizer to the drone. So when you put these on, they're gonna add extra stability to that landing pad if you were to crash it. And obviously that quick weld, think about it, you can use it anywhere on the drone. If I would crack some of the housing here on top and I need to seal it for a weatherproof seal, just spread some on, smooth it out, and you got 3 minutes. Don't touch it, let it dry, it's ready to go. That's it.